Its name is Bingo. We all love Bingo. Bingo likes to play hide and seek. Huh? Oh? Where is Bingo? Aha! Bingo is here! Oh, Bingo seems to be hungry. Let's feed it. Oh, Bingo is hungry. It wants to have dog food. Bingo, wait. Let's open the package first. Please help Bingo open the package. Great job! Well done! Pour the dog food in the bowl. It looks like Bingo wants to have something else to eat. Oh, Bingo wants to have canned food. Be patient, Bingo. Let me open the can for you. Please help Bingo. Yeah, well done. Put the canned food in the bowl. Bingo is thirsty. Please help open the bottle. Wow, you are great! Pour the water into the bowl. Bingo wants to go out and play. Let's play! Wow, let's play in the park! Jojo is walking with Bingo. Bingo pooped. Oh no! Where is Bingo? Let's find Bingo together. Bingo is hiding. Let's find out where he is. Bingo has been found. You are amazing. The naughty Bingo is hiding again. Let's find it. Bingo is having a Bingo is dirty all over. Let's give Bingo a bath.